Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Today we are going to talk about fall season, where you will find lot of pumpkins. Everywhere you see too many pumpkins. Any supermarket or any shop you go, you will find pumpkins in the entrance. It is also the time of Halloween, so pumpkin will also be decorated. In this season, when we get lot of pumpkins, we use a lot at home. You can find lot of sweet treats like pumpkin pies, pumpkin cookies, pumpkin muffins. I use lot of pumpkin at home in this season. We make lot of pumpkin soups, which I will be sharing with you today. We also make lot of pumpkin treats and also spicy pumpkin chili, which also someday I will be sharing with you. These all were very big pumpkins. Once you cut them, you cannot use everything together in a day or two. So I will be buying a little smaller in size. Let's go inside and see if I get some nice size. Everywhere you can see pumpkin decorations as it is fall and even the time of Halloween. I see these small cute decorative pieces of pumpkin as well. There are so many colors too, white, little bit yellowish and creamish. Different pumpkins, but I have not tasted all of these. I have only tasted these orange ones, which are all-time favorite for me. These orange pumpkins taste really very great. Just simply light pepper fry is also very tasty with these pumpkins, but regularly we use it for soup in the dinner. These cute little pumpkins, they keep it for decoration during the time of Halloween or fall season. For all through the fall season, people keep it for decoration in their houses. You can see so many sweet treats also here. Pumpkin cupcakes, pumpkin cookies, pumpkin muffins, breads. They have also made a small Halloween setup over here. Pumpkin candies everywhere, candies for Halloween. I bought few pumpkins, small ones and a medium size, which I have peeled and nicely made into cubes. This is for making soup. I have taken pumpkin, tomato, onion and garlic. You can increase the carrot also. I have taken 1 carrot, you can make 2 carrots. But I want pumpkins taste nice prominent, so I have taken large amount of pumpkin. To that I am adding cinnamon, pepper, salt and almonds. If you have nut allergy, you can skip almonds. If you add almonds, it gives really very creamy and nice great taste. This is just, I don't use any corn flour or cornstarch for thickening agent. If you want, you can add half potato. Add enough water and pressure cook it on 2 steams. That is more than enough. These pumpkins cook very fast. Let it cool completely and blend it in the blender. That's it, the pumpkin soup is ready. It is a very favorite pumpkin soup of our house. Every alternate days also I take this pumpkin soup in my dinner. Top it with enough amount of butter and cream. It is a very filling dinner with the side of some protein and salad. Also sprinkle some pepper. Hope you all like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.